You see, it was never about making videos or looking cool. The fact is, everything would have unfolded just the same, whether there was a camera around or not. And just that in itself, I believe, brought a certain level of truth that couldn't be hidden. I simply figured that whatever pleasure and peace I found, I should try to share.
Hold on. Oh yes. Well, lady, are you seeing me? We're going in the bush. I'll check back in. Alright guys, whoa. Morning. How are you doing? Everybody good? It's your boy, your favorite ugly man adventure brethren here again. On the move, it is a random morning in September, I think it's the 20th. We're a little bit behind schedule if I'm being honest. I'm on my way to meet up with a good buddy of mine. We're gonna pick up a 4x4 and go scout a fishing spot for a later time. But we're going in the bush. So, I have my bag packed, I have a bottle of water and my blade and whatnot. And we're on the move. I'll check back in if anything and then a later time then. Oh. Alright, yeah, let me go. This is kind of sketchy. I have 10 feet of smooth asphalt nowhere. You would never guess we have the second largest pitch lake in the world, would you? All our roads in a mess. I don't think there's any that's good. Alright, moving right along. Bush face. I'm just happy to be out of the house. You know how it has been. How it's been. Wild coconut tree. See? That way you must always walk with your blade. The next one there. That one not so wild, it's in somebody's yard. But that fence looking like just a suggestion. And watch, I'm in the middle of the road. I didn't realize they convert this road from 1 lane to 2 lane. So I'm in the middle. Oh, police!
That Brazilian not.
I know it's Brazilian dog.
Take your blade. You ever see that inside?
Yeah.
That's nothing. That like Nicky Minaj. Yeah.
One blade.
Make the video.
Well, let's see it, man. Watch this. We now make a impromptu stop. That right there is a Brazil nut. And I'm gonna try to get it. Boss him? Alright. I know.
People don't see that this side. Real bad, man. I get on so.
I could say something that we talk about. Let's see me. Let's see me. Watch my blade. My long sleeve, my tall tops. We for the bush. We're in the bush. Frankie, you good?
Yes, man.
We go in the bush?
I got. We're going to bush.
We gonna shoot up a good tea?
Yes.
That we talk about. Niceness. Let's see a nut. We in the tree. Oh! I realize, get him. Yeah, we're good. We're stable, don't worry.
In control.
Good. Oi! The wild coconut distracted me. Let me see the blade. The bushman rule number 1, that we talk about. Let's see it. Masara. Masara. Nobody like bacchanal. If there's somebody like bacchanal, something wrong with you. You what, Ashin or Tanya? You Ashin? This is spot. I love it. You know that.
You can even flash also. No audio.
No.
Straight through and let me go to the healer.
Okay. Come, you can pass it. Over there, tie up. Got his phones.
Yeah, that is mad grass.
Picker.
No, you're not supposed to get picked up there.
Yeah, I got
Frank, here.
You ready?
I went in the jungle and I picked a my mother tell me, father and my father.
You tell me plenty things, I can't remember all. Alright.
Or we can continue busting till we meet the river. One later. Harun, bush taller than you. This could be about 300 years old.
This tree?
Yeah.
I'm watching
When
it.
it falls, it sounds like a dynamite. We have big trees falling down. But thank you. Be nice to watch it in the land already.
Yeah.
If you like a tattoo dog now, or a bushy dog, okay. You see in there? Animal inside there right now. And they're living inside of a hole.
Where did they go there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
black live there.
You serious?
What they walking, right?
What's that?
Like Oscar. What's going on here?
Watch me, anybody who could live this kind of life, I will mess with them normal. Because this is the kind of shit I like.
I can sit here, don't see nobody.
It's good?
Yeah, of course.
You got in it?
Cut it.
We cut it. Let's see it? Cocoa. You see, I never see ugly man sucking some cocoa in the bush yet. Always years me and fucking eat this. Those all I never see ugly man sucking cocoa in the bush. Cocoa! You hear that one though? Starch mango. Right here.
When they come here, you want to do a real hunt today?
Spot Mamu. It's the overnight spot we talking about.
Exactly.
What's the right here?
Yeah.
Pull my hammock here now.
If I talk to him now,
Heaven and heaven.
if I talk to him, I will
Think of
tell
a
him.
mango tree.
I'll find you.
Think of a mango tree, dog.
What's that?
Watch it.
If I talk to him, I'll
Are you seeing that shed in the bush there? Are you seeing that? With the mango tree in the middle, the Portugal here, the picnic table. I gone overnight. I gonna make friend. I gone overnight. I love it. Look at this place. Look at this place. My word. And look at me. Watch it there. Portugal. Green fig. Châtaigne. Soursop. Orange. Cane. Blood clot. Blood clot. Look at that sinking cocoa. Look, cocoa. How do you see this? Cocoa. That's what they used to make chocolate. You're wicked, Mamu. You're wicked.
Yeah, really. You will get it. Fuck that. We are you good. Hey, where camera? You have it?
Hey, dog.
You go edit it?
Yeah. That's my spot, dog. What tell you?
Talk.
That's my spot. Oh. I was trying to pack up under a mango tree. Frankie, your phone making noise, boy. The woman calling you.
My phone?
Have you seen these Athens? Bushmans.
Yeah. Yeah. I know. Yeah.
Check that view there, all. Place getting dark. I don't know. Place getting dark. I don't know how much all you can see. It's a scouting trip. Right, we fishing grounds there. Place clear and nice. We didn't really have nothing to do. As far as campsite and thing, we could just move in. You know what I mean? Place clear and nice. So we can see how things go. Tell me. Huh?
Right.
Pour your cigarette now, boy. Nobody wants to see you smoke it. Yeah, I got it, don't worry. All I said it. We take a video there. You good?
Yeah, they're good.
You good?
I'm good.
Smile.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Frank, you had a smile.
Yeah.
I had a smile.
You already smile, the Melatonin smile. What we talk about? Let's see in action.
Yeah.
What we talk about, you see? Survival.
Nisi, thanks Nisi. Thanks Nisi there. Now watch. Nisi. Best chicken in the world.
Oh, that's piss hot.